forgive me, do you know that I'm always sinning? I take no interest, party in with liquor, fucking nemesis. Excuse my language, that's a hang up on high city, I'm a feeling. I'm sorry, I feel no attraction, and now that it's been a fit. Time so long, so long.
Dang it.
It's been about 5 years since I've last posted on this channel. A lot has happened since then. So believe it or not, this is the same car from 5 years ago. Looks completely different, as you can see. This engine here, it's an RB30. What's different about this one compared to the last one is it's got a Neo cylinder head out of an R34. So it's got solid lifters, a little bit better compression. I do have VCT hooked up this go around. VCT, if you don't know, it's variable cam timing. Some big changes to the engine this year. It's got a Bosch drive-by-wire throttle body. Ditched the throttle cable, ditched the idle motors, and it's now an electronic throttle body. The injectors to 1200cc, and we're back in the Borg game, this time with an SXC 369. So R35 coil packs, really just focused on drivability and reliability upgrades. I really wanted this thing to drive like a 2020 Nissan Skyline. So right now we're just letting it warm up before we get into doing a couple pulls. I just wanted to show you guys a cool little feature with the new ECU. So this car is running on a Maxx ECU. It does have Bluetooth capabilities. I am able to connect this tablet to the ECU and monitor all engine parameters. So Bluetooth.
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So now I can come here in this Maxx ECU app. So right there shows I'm connected. It's reading RPM, water temp, oil pressure, PSI. So literally this ECU is so cool. We'll touch more on the features later on, but yeah, basically every engine parameter monitored is available to display through the tablet. So first pull, it's making 400 wheel at, I don't know, what is that, 12 pounds? 13 pounds-ish? That's about 11 and a half pounds, 400 wheel. Not bad.
Timing too.
Yeah, that was literally the first pull. We haven't done any timing adjustments or any tuning, so it's a good base to start from. I think we're looking to get into the 5s at least, so yeah. Drained the brake-in oil now, turning the boost up, and then I'm just going to continue tuning from here. Alright, so there it is there. Right about 535 wheel at 18 pounds. It's honestly a lot more than I was expecting. I was hoping for just 18. Anything after that was a bonus. So super happy with the results. And everything worked. We didn't really have any issues whatsoever on the dyno. Perks of running proper components, I guess. It does still need to come back for some fine tuning, but I think for now it's done. There's a lot more stuff that I have to do. My interior is all apart right now. I'm kind of just cleaning it up. My plan is to get a doubled in Android deck that I could download that app onto and run all my engine stuff right in the head unit. So that's my plan for that. All right, 500 wheel, middle of winter. Time to take this thing for a much needed wash. Alright, no driving clips just yet because I don't have proper camera mounting gear. This car should not be on the road in these conditions. I could barely drive the thing. It's just...